A well-liked natural treatment is apple cider vinegar. For generations, people have utilized it in cooking and alternative healing. According to research, it does have some antibacterial and antioxidant effects in addition to other health benefits. You might be curious about what the science says given how many people say it can treat a variety of health issues. There is evidence that it might provide health advantages like help with weight loss, lower cholesterol, reducing the blood sugar, and reducing the diabetic symptoms. Before it can be suggested as an alternative therapy, there isn't much research on it and more needs to be done. The data supporting 6 potential health advantages of apple cider vinegar is examined in this video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this. 1. Contains healthful substances. The production of apple cider vinegar involves 2 steps. Crushed apples are first exposed to yeast, which causes the carbohydrates to ferment and transform into alcohol. The alcohol is then further fermented by the addition of bacteria, which produces acetic acid, the primary active ingredient in vinegar. Vinegar gets its potently sour flavor and smell from acetic acid. The health benefits of apple cider vinegar are thought to be caused by this acid, according to researchers. 5 to 6% of cider vinegars contain acetic acid. A component known as the mother, which is made up of protein, enzyme, and bacterial strands, is also present in organic, unfiltered apple cider vinegar. The mother gives the product its murky color. Despite the fact that there are currently no studies to back this up, some individuals think that the mother is mostly responsible for the benefits to their health. Although apple cider vinegar is low in vitamins and minerals, it does have a tiny quantity of potassium. Antioxidants and certain amino acids are also present in high-quality brands. 2. Kills harmful bacteria. Bacteria and other infections can be killed with vinegar. Vinegar has long been used to clean, disinfect, and treat ear infections, warts, lice, and nail fungus. More than 2,000 years ago, Hippocrates, the founder of modern medicine, cleaned wounds with vinegar. Vinegar can be used to preserve food. According to studies, it prevents bacteria like E. coli from multiplying and tainting food. Apple cider vinegar may be of assistance if you're looking for a natural way to preserve your food. According to anecdotal reports, diluted apple cider vinegar applied to the skin may also be effective in treating acne, but there doesn't appear to be any conclusive evidence to support this. 3. Helps with blood sugar and diabetes. One of vinegar's most persuasive uses to far is the management of type 2 diabetes. High blood sugar levels brought on by insulin resistance or the inability to make insulin are characteristics of type 2 diabetes. While some experts believe that excessive blood sugar levels are a crucial factor in aging and a number of chronic diseases, people without diabetes can still benefit from maintaining normal blood sugar levels. Avoiding refined carbohydrates and sugar is the healthiest and most effective approach to control blood sugar levels, but apple cider vinegar may also be helpful. According to research, vinegar has the following advantages for insulin and blood sugar levels. According to a small study, vinegar can considerably reduce blood sugar levels and insulin response during a high-carb meal while increasing insulin sensitivity by 19 to 34%. In a different experiment involving 5 healthy participants, vinegar lowered blood sugar levels by 31.4% after 50 grams of white bread. In a different trial, people with diabetes who had 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar before bedtime experienced a 4% reduction in fasting blood sugar the next morning. In numerous previous human trials, vinegar has been shown to enhance insulin action and reduce post-meal blood sugar levels. It's crucial, according to the National Centers for Complementary and Integrative Health, NCC, that people do not substitute unproven health items for proven medical treatments. Before increasing your intake of any form of vinegar, see your doctor if you're currently using blood sugar lowering medication. 4. Helps with weight loss. Maybe surprisingly, studies suggest that vinegar may aid in weight loss. Studies on humans have found that vinegar can make people feel more satisfied. This may result in consuming less calories and shedding pounds. For instance, one study found that taking vinegar with a high-carb breakfast boosted participants' feelings of fullness, resulting in them consuming 200 to 275 less calories the rest of the day. A research of 175 obese individuals revealed that regular use of apple cider vinegar resulted in decreased abdominal fat and weight loss. The genuine impacts on body weight appear to be quite minor, however, keep in mind that this study lasted for 3 months. Nonetheless, changing the amount of a particular food or ingredient rarely causes a significant change in weight. Adopting a healthy diet and lifestyle practices that assist weight loss over the long run. In general, apple cider vinegar may help people lose weight by increasing feelings of fullness, lowering blood sugar, and lowering insulin levels. Each tablespoon of apple cider vinegar has only about 3 calories, which is extremely few. 5. Improves heart health. One of the main causes of death is heart disease. The chance of developing heart disease is influenced by a number of biological factors. According to research, vinegar may help some of these risk factors. But a lot of the research was done on animals. These research on animals indicate that apple cider vinegar can reduce a number of heart disease risk factors, including triglyceride and cholesterol levels. Also, several rat studies have demonstrated that vinegar lowers blood pressure, a significant risk factor for heart disease and renal issues. Before coming to any firm conclusions, researchers need to conduct further research. Using apple cider vinegar in your cooking is the best strategy to add it to your diet. Foods like homemade mayonnaise and salad dressings can easily include it. Some individuals prefer to drink it as a beverage after diluting it in water. 1 to 2 teaspoons, 5 to 10 milliliters, to 1 to 2 tablespoons, 15 to 30 milliliters, a day, combined in a big glass of water, are typical dosages. Start out slowly and stay away from consuming big doses. Too much vinegar can have negative side effects like eroding tooth enamel and possibly interacting with medications. Use of organic, unfiltered, mother-containing apple cider vinegar is advised by certain dietitians.